welcome back today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button, it is just below. And if you're already come back, hello, welcome back today. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make these little eyeballs, lollipops, perfect for this time of year. Halloween is just around the corner and I think they're just super fun to make. So let's get into this video, guys, and show you how to make these yummy eyeball lollipops. So first off, we want to put our cake and our Oreos in the mixer and mix them all together. So the reason why I've gone with mini Oreos is because they just blend quicker and it's just easier to use. So now that my cake and my Oreos are mashed up and mixed together, I'm going to pour in the melted chocolate. So now that's done, I'm going to roll these out into balls and put them in the fridge for 2 hours so that they go harder and they're easier to kind of put chocolate all over them. So I've managed to make 9 kind of balls. It depends on the size that you make them. Like I think if you made them smaller, you could make more. But I kind of wanted just 9, so I'm happy with that. Now they're going in the fridge for 2 hours to chill and go a little bit harder so that we can put the sticks on and start decorating them. Okay, so they've been in the fridge for 2 hours. Now I'm going to place them on sticks. These sticks you can get from like supermarkets, that's where I got these ones from, or Hobbycraft, that's another one if you can't find them. So now it's time to cover them in chocolate. So what you want to do is, whilst you're covering the chocolate, when you finish covering it, hold it upside down for a few minutes. This is going to help it dry a bit more so it doesn't drip everywhere. And then what I have done, in a cup I put cling film and I just pop a hole and I put this in so it can stand to dry. You might need more than 1 cup. You want to make sure that there's enough room for them to touch the bottom. So now I'm going to cover them again in chocolate. You want to make sure that the melted chocolate isn't super hot because it will affect the chocolate underneath. Okay, so now it's time to finish off decorating them. So of course, eyeballs, you need the colour bed of the eye, the iris, is it? I don't know. And I've done a little bit of a black bit in the middle of the circle, and now I'm just going to do some veins. So there you go, guys, this is how to make eyeball lollipops, I'm going to call them. They were super fun to make. I really love decorating them and they're just really yummy to eat as well. So that's kind of why I've ended up with only 4 left. It's because I kind of ate them. But yeah, they were super fun and they're perfect for Halloween. Well, thanks for watching today, guys. I hope you liked that video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button, it is just below. And I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I hope you guys have a lovely Halloween. Halloween.